Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys aeroplane mode in our tech Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to use your phone aeroplane mode setting guys, you want to enable it. So friend, how can you enable? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable aeroplane mode and friend, how can we use it in Infinix phone. First of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you want to search wise, you can search here guys aeroplane mode. So we will search here guys air. So as you can see your aeroplane mode guys, we will tap here. As you can see aeroplane mode guys, so we will tap here to enable it. After enable guys, you can see aeroplane mode will enable. So fans come back. So fans after enable guys aeroplane mode guys, you want to use Wi-Fi setting. So guys you can use guys only Wi-Fi setting. So as you want to connect a network guys, you can connect guys. I have connected already. So when you can use it in your aeroplane mode setting guys, you can use your Wi-Fi setting guys. So like that guys, we can enable aeroplane mode setting guys and we can use it. So bye friends.